So I'm getting ready to show you my take on chimichurri. It's a condiment that goes really great with grilled meat. It's very popular throughout Latin America. It goes great on any grilled meat. So if you haven't tried chimichurri, I hope you give this a try. I think you'll love it. Start by adding a half a cup of chopped fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, a half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh garlic, a quarter cup of minced fresh shallot, quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped lemon zest, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a half a teaspoon of dried Greek oregano, a half a teaspoon of fresh ground toasted cumin seed, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and lastly, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. So with chimichurri, there's no cooking, easy peasy. Just mix it up and serve it with whatever meat you're grilling.